Yep, I'm shooting right now. You hear it? See how quiet it is? Uh-huh. Yep. No, that's why I love this thing. Oh, I missed that one. I was rushing it.